I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can use Apple Pay in the Philippines. Now, as of the time I'm recording this video, Apple Pay is not supported by the Philippine government yet. But what does that exactly mean? It means that local banks like the Credit or Debit or whatever local banks you have, if you live in the Philippines, you will not be able to link it to Apple Cash or Apple Pay, right? But the way we can get around this is that, for example, if you're just a tourist who's visiting the Philippines, right? So your credit or debit card is not issued from the Philippines, right? Now, if that happens, then of course you can still use Apple Pay like you do normally, right? So if you're wondering how you can add your wallet or Apple Pay, you just have to go to your settings, go to wallet and Apple Pay, just click on add a card, and then debit or credit card, and then just click on continue. And then that's it. You have a card added to your Apple Pay, right? But again, this is only gonna work after if you have a card that's issued outside of the Philippines. Because if you're someone who's from the Philippines, then of course this won't work. I have heard that Apple Pay will work with some part of the Philippines. Like I'm pretty sure you can add Shellco Plus to your Apple Pay, but that doesn't really help a lot generally. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.